everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show you 5 ways to add static or noise or bad TV signal or something to your videos in Kdenlive. Well, it's 2 for audio and 3 for visual, but I'll show you them anyway. Part 1. Audio. Method 1. Using Kdenlive's built-in white noise generator. So, you on Kdenlive and you have this clip here that you want to add static to. So what you want to do is go into the add clip menu, generators, and white noise. Then you want to set the duration you want. So I'll set mine to 10 seconds. Oh yeah, and it's going to save it as an MTL thing. Then save it wherever you want, or in your project with all your clips or something. I don't know. I'm gonna name this yeah, that. Okay, and then I'm just gonna set that there, and so excuse me. Oh yeah, and then you gotta ungroup the clips because it's two. Yeah, and you just delete the video, and you have your really loud audio. So you're also gonna need to go to the effects and the volume keyframe removal from the volume dynamics. Yeah, and it's gain. Minus 20. Don't want to explode your ears right now. Can you just see? You should be hearing the static noise in the background right now. If not, then I'm recording wrong. So that's method 1. Method 2. Using the import raw data option in Audacity. So now you're in Audacity. So now you're and you want the noise. I mean, no, like you want the noise in Kdenlive, but for this option, first you need to go to Audacity. And excuse me. Yeah, you're gonna need to go into a file, and import raw data. And raw data is just like import anything, literally anything at all. You can import like you can import an MSI, whatever that is, and you can just go like. That is loud. Yeah. But if you notice, not all of it is just pure. Sometimes not all of it is pure static sound. Wait, what? Oh, it's pure static sound. Like that bit right there had like some kind of pattern to it. So you could make you could gather the little bits of that pattern from different audio files and make like this. Ow, my eyes. Oh, there. And you could make something like that's not stop. Could something like this. That's got like. And it's also like and like and like Actually, let me show you something right here. Cause I'm bored. Lol. That's literally just file import raw data, and you just export it into Kdenlive. If you hear this, that's actually that pattern of sound is actually really common in most executables. Just tell me in the comments below if you import raw data and your executables sound like that too at the start, and then you got like. And again, so these three are pretty similar. It's Audacity, GIMP, and whatever that is. And you know, you got some like crazy stuff like around here. That's the same thing. Yeah, I just let it play for the rest of the thing. Yeah, and now all from file import raw data. And if you're really a skill issue person, then you have to go into file, export audio, export to computer, rather no OGG, and leave just set this to OGG because she's good, and just leave everything blank. To choose your folder that you want or whatever. I will blur that at the end, and you know, just put it in downloads or something, and see like you hit export, and you get I gotta blur that. There, and you go here to import clip, and just go like stroke the OGG. Just set that there. And like that's a big stroke. Yeah. If it's too loud because like it's pure noise, then you can just again go to volume and dynamics in the effects section and just go like volume and just set that to like -2 or something. I don't know. That's way too low, for example. And now you got weird static in your video for whatever reason. Yeah. So that's the that's method 2 of the audio section. So like yeah. Part 2, visual. Method 3, using Kdenlive's built-in white noise generator. Again. So this one is basically like literally the same thing as as I say, you got your clip, you go to file. I mean, no, you go into the add clip menu. No, what am I doing? add clip menu, generators, white noise, choose your time, choose 10 seconds, do it again, save as an LT because this is saved as a file for some reason, I don't know, I didn't make it that way. Why is the thing going away? Okay, and then you ungroup the clips, you delete the audio because you don't want that, that's why you're in this section. Oh yeah, and it's probably it's just static. No, you just want you want to see the other thing too. Right. What did I do? Right. So you gotta go on the effects. This one. Alpha masking keying. And transparency. And you just want to set it to like 0.5 or something. Point 0.5. You gotta delete that 0 and 5. Yes. And yeah, you got static. Yay. Yeah. That's method 3, which is like literally the service method 1. Or method 4, using the glitcher effect in Kdenlive. Kdenlive. Oh my. So you have your clip. So now you don't. This one is just an effect. You literally don't need to add anything else. You need to go into the clip menu or anything. All you gotta do is in effects. This section, the video section. Effects. I mean, no. What? What's the script say? Yeah, you go into this section of motion and this glitcher, and just drag it to your clip. You click on the clip, you go into effect the composition effect and composition stack, and you got these 4 values. So glitch frequency is like how much. Yeah, I just set it to stuff. So you see that, you see that little like that kind of block thing just like moving to the left. So glitch frequency tells it how many times does that happen, like every something or something, because it's not every frame, because if you set it too high it happens multiple times a frame. It's just frequency, okay? And then and you don't do that. And then you got block height, which is like how big each one of those movements can be. It's like the maximum. So if you have it really low, then it means it's really tiny, so you get like the small sharp bits, yeah. And then you got the shift intensity, which is like how much it moves. So if it's really low, it barely moves. If it's really low, and just yeah. And finally, you got color glitching intensity. If you just want a bit of color, yeah. The value here is very rounded, so it's like one. This looks all the same, and then it just will suddenly turn different at one point. If I can find it, yeah, there. And like around that, it's like very no, they should just literally make the slide less big than like 1,000. If it's only got like 5 options, yeah. And if you just like set or 1,000 for no reason, then you get like this. Yeah, that's not really static, is it? Static would be more like, that's just glitchy. Static would be more like what you came for here. It would be like, no, it would be like that. Okay, fine. I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah, you get the idea. You can change it to however static you want or something like. Get set to like like how's that? Oh, what the no? That static? No, I don't know. What am I? Method 5: using the RGB noise effect in Kdenlive. So it's this method is kind of similar to method 4. It's just instead of going into effects video motion glitcher, you gotta go into what was it? Can't read. Yeah. Deprecated. Why does my screen do that? I got check this one. RGB noise deprecated, because it's deprecated for some reason. I don't know. I didn't make it in life. And yeah, and this is literally the probably the simplest and best option in this entire video. I mean, just look at it. I say it a bit higher so you can see. Actually, no, that's way too much. Practical 20, yeah. That's absolutely amazing. Like, why would you use the other? Why would you use the other options? Why would you even watch it? Why do I even record the other parts? Why do I exist? Now, you're probably wondering why there isn't a download method in either part, and that is because A,
your wish is stupid,
and B, that isn't your work. And plus it takes up too much internet and you like, you know, stuff and blah blah. Just, and some websites can be sketchy, like MP3.pm, which if you could please ignore that I did get, one of them from, that website, yeah. Yeah, try to make your work as original as possible. You know, it's just better, like don't rely on AI kind of stuff. And wow, that video is trippy.